So here's another perspective I've been thinking about. I think we forget about the micro realm, the small realm. We forget about the microbiome, or we weren't taught, or we never knew. But we need to think about the micro realm. Yes, parasites, viruses, microbiology, the microbiome, the gut health, um, and even I don't know, even smaller than that, even because I mean, we started as a sperm and an egg. That's micro size, and then we're the size that we are. Um, and I think people, we get caught up in our size now, and we forget that everything didn't happen when we were this size. You may have been a large being ever since you were 13, 14, whatever, whenever you got your size. But let's not forget, we're micro beings. We've been amplified. We've been expanded. Our growth and expansion, is relevant to our environment, back to what we are. You when you deal with plants, you have to give them the proper environment for them to flourish. When you deal with beings, birds, animal, anything, people, humans, gods, universes, even universes have to have the right environment for them to thrive. Gods have to have the right environment for them to be gods. Um, so keep that in mind, as we're dealing with our whole self. Let's not forget there's a micro world that we need to have some understanding of. The expanse, that's the change that is always growing and expanding. The universe, the mass of carbon, the masses of energy balls that are out there, the masses of gold and metals that exist in the universe. You know, all of that's fine and it's real, and it becomes structure and it manifests into all types of things. But um, to add, not a but also to add, let's not forget, man. Like the micro realm is very, very important and very misunderstood, very much overlooked. So that's it. I just wanted to bring up the micro realm, microbiology. Um, I always talk about haplotype. You know, in these last couple of videos, from the knowledge I've learned from people like Dr. Inky, and learning different things about biophysiology from KT to Arch degree, whether it's learning about H3O2s from Yaki Awakened, or whether it's learning about structured water, all the way back to Dr. Malik York, learning about what we are, you know, what we are, part of that question, like what our DNA, our lineage, our true history. Um, Billy Carson, the Anunnaki conversation. Um, there's so much to what we are, and we probably are a combination of all great things in the universe combined. Obvi- Obviously, we are that, a combination of all great things in the universe combined. So we are a crystal lattice structure. We are an amazing crystal. We can amplify our intentions. We are cut from the cloth of the universe. We are cut from the cloth of the source of God, the gods, goddess, heirs, heiresses to the same powers and the same infinite energy, the same energy, the inner God that is in us is the same source that ancient, great scholars and builders and architects and scientists and astrologers have tapped into. So that's where we are. We are everything. All is us. All is one. But synchronicity is of most importance, and understanding the little details that make up the big structures that we are. Let's not forget the little details. Think small, think microscopic. It's a lot of power that can be packed in something small. Look at the mustard seed. Simple example. And if you look up the minerals and the nutrients that's in the mustard seed, it kind of it's a story that tells a lot there too. The mustard seed is packed with nutrients and is a necessary food. So, you know, little things, y'all. Little things, little things. Let's not forget the little details and the little microbes and the way we overcome. Small things, it's the same philosophy probably to how we overcome larger obstacles in our life. Peace.